Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone green screen problem. For example, if you see your screen color green in your iPhone, so how you can fix that. So first of all, I will tell you what are the reasons behind this green screen. The first reason is that a physical damage, which means your iPhone has fallen and that's why its screen may be broken. That's why it is showing green screen. The next thing is as that liquid damage. For example, if your iPhone absorbed liquid or some kind of liquid has penetrated into it, then there will be problem related to iPhone display. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So after you see the green screen, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the volume down button, and after that you see that power off screen, and you have to simply power off your iPhone. And after that you have to simply check your screen to nearest official Apple store, so that they can check it properly, so that any kind of liquid or physical damage may not increase and that not cost you. So the next thing you have to do, you have to simply change your screen setting. For this, you have to go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to display and brightness, and you have to make sure that you have not turned on the dark mode or any kind of color changes. You do not have done that. For example, you do not have changed to display zoom or any kind of settings. So if it is due to unnecessary setting, then you can simply reset your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset your all settings. In this way, if you have done any kind of mistake while choosing the settings of the display, then it will fix all the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go to the official Apple solutions, Apple discussion, where you can simply discuss the problem to all the Apple official. And because there is a problem occurring in many Apple's iPhones, so there is a regular green screen problem in iPhone after a latest iOS 17 problem. If you face this problem, then maybe due to latest update it will solve the problem. So you have to make sure that you have the latest iOS update in your iPhone. For this, you have to simply go to setting and general, and after that you have to check whether you have latest iOS update or not. So if you install any kind of beta version, you also have to delete it. So you have to only install the official update of your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.